How to put yes or no in Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily put yes or no in your Instagram stories. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Instagram app. And then once you're in your Instagram app, you have to tap on your story in the top left corner here. Then select that video or photo you want to add to your story. So for example, I'm just gonna select this, and then here you have to tap on stickers in the top here. Then from here select this sticker poll, so tap on it to select it, and then here in the top you have to write a question. So write any question you want, and then here tap here and write yes, then tap here and write no. If you want to add any other options, you can tap here and write other options if you want. Then just tap back and you can adjust this sticker how you want, and after adjusting you can share it on your story or share it with your close friends. And so this is how you can put yes or no in Instagram story. Thanks for watching.